Hi, this is Don Curt. Thanks a lot for taking a look at this CTI and helpdesk mashup demo. The first open source piece of software we will use today is StarPound. StarPound is a very interesting CTI mix with visual BPM and web services capabilities. We are developing in their DevNet cloud environment. Mojo Helpdesk is being used because of their exposed web services operations. Lifetime is an alternative which also exposes operations. This is the visual BPEL model of the call and web services integration processes. The application is initiated by a phone call or transfer from an IVR application when live assistance is requested. The first web service call invokes a MySQL customer database lookup across the web based on the ANI or incoming phone number. Any type of business data could be retrieved based on call or IVR input parameters. Next, the call and retrieved data are sent to a call center agent. The agent can invoke a subprocess to perform operations calls to Mojo Helpdesk. The large yellow box represents all activity while the call is active. This is a close-up of the subprocess that calls the Mojo Helpdesk through the web services. We'll explain the web services more in 1 second. A WSDL file can be created or imported into StarPound. This is a visual representation of our Mojo Helpdesk web service over SOAP. On the right is the long list of operations that an agent can invoke directly from the call center screen.
Welcome to CIO Services Customer Support. Press or say 1 for a customer support agent. Press or say 2 for your account information or 3 for technical support. Please hold for the next available.
Here we can see the call comes into the agent's screen, and once the call is accepted, the web services information is displayed on that screen. You can see that various pieces of customer information have been retrieved for the specific call or ANI. The agent can select from the buttons to invoke Mojo Helpdesk operations. Here we pick Create Ticket. The agent is presented with an input form for the web service operation parameters. In this case, Create Ticket. A web service response is immediately generated. This shows actual response time, by the way, no smoke and mirrors. On the left are some of the created ticket parameters. The agent might at this point provide the caller with a ticket ID for reference. On the right is the same calling customer reference information from our database. Here we have switched over to the actual Mojo Helpdesk online hosted application. You can see our created ticket. When the ticket is opened, you can see the details, which match what's in our web mashup. Thank you for viewing this mashup demo. At CIO Services, we can assist you with CTI, Service Desk, or any other business process needs you may have. Thanks again.